So in today's video, we'll be solving the question 8 of the 2019 Core Maths Theory questions. So we begin with the question 8a. The difference between the 8th and the 4th term of an arithmetic progression AP is 40. If the 8th term is one whole number 1 over 2 times the 4th term, find I, the common difference, II, first term of the arithmetic progression. So moving on to the solution, we know that for an arithmetic progression, the nth term is given by a plus into bracket n minus 1d. So we know that our 4th term would be a plus 4 minus 1d. And this should be a plus 3d. And our 8th term will be equal to a plus 8 minus 1d, which is equal to a plus 7d. And from our question, we know that the difference between the 8th and the 4th term is 40. So a plus 7d minus a plus 3d is equal to 40. And we are saying that the a term is one whole number 1 over 2 times the 4th term. So u8 is equal to 1 over 2 u4. And this is equal to u8 is equal to 3 over 2 u4. Okay. So from here, from equation 1, let this be equation 2. So for equation 1, a plus 7d minus a minus 3d is equal to 40. A minus a is 0. 7d minus 3d is 4d is equal to 40. Now to find d, we divide both sides by the coefficient of d, which is 4. So here by 4, here by 4. Our d will be equal to 10. So I, our common difference, which is d, is equal to 10. II. Find the first term of the arithmetic progression. So II. Now we are saying that a plus 7d is equal to 3 over 4 of a plus 3d. From equation 2, this, the 8th term is equal to 3 over 2, the 4th term. So 3 over 2. Now when we multiply both sides by 2, we have 2 multiplying a plus 7d is equal to 3 over 2 a plus 3d, all times 2. Now 2 cancels 2. We have 3 multiplying a plus 3d is equal to 2 multiplying a plus 7d. Now this gives us 2a plus 14d is equal to 3a plus 9d. So when we group like terms, we have 14d minus 9d is equal to 3a minus 2a. 3a minus 2a, we have a, is equal to 14d minus 9d, we have 5d. But we know that our d from I is equal to 10. So, but d is equal to 10. Hence, a is equal to 5 times 10. So, a is 50. So, we can say that our first term of the arithmetic progression is equal to 50. So that brings us to the end of question 8a. So moving on to question 8b. Given that m plus n is equal to 5 and m minus n is equal to 4, find the value of m squared minus n squared. So we have our solution. So m squared minus n squared is equal to m plus n m minus n. So when we multiply, you get m squared plus mn minus mn minus n squared. This cancels this, so we have m squared minus n squared. All right. So our m squared minus n squared, which is equal to m plus n, m minus n. From our question, we know that m plus n is equal to 5 and m minus n is equal to 4. So our m squared minus n squared will be equal to 5 times 4. So this will be equal to 20. So m squared minus n squared is equal to 20.